Hey peeps, in this video we'll be creating a holiday themed shadow box. In order to do this project, we'll be laser cutting out multiple designs on cardstock that can be stacked to create a layered winter scene. We already have all of the images we want for this project, so we can go ahead and set them up for engraving in LightBurn.
Alright, so we're importing our design, which is a JPEG, so we're going to have to trace it, what we did here, but it's not the perfect size that we need for our design. We want a 6x6 inch square, so I'm creating a toolpath here to use to cut out our shape. So you can see me slightly increasing the size of that tracing, and then I'm going to do a Boolean cut to make it a perfect 6x6, and I'm going to do this for every shape that we import. So I'm a little worried here that this is going to be a little bit too thin for us to cut out, like it might just burn through all of that. So I'm kind of thickening it up a little bit here by just drawing some lines here that I'll end up kind of connecting to this drawing while making it look a little bit thicker here. So hopefully the reindeer stay in place. So I'll just do a Boolean join, and now you can see the reins are a little bit thicker. I realize at this time that the snowflakes there are not going to work, so I have to delete those. So off camera we did a little test here to get our cuts in order for cardstock, and that's how I knew where my settings were at. Okay, so now it's about time to design the frame for this. And we're going to use Boxes.py to get a Shadowbox frame to put this in. Now what we want to do to make this a little unique is use these dollar store little LED lights to kind of light up the in-between of these layers, which means we have to design spacers and get a total depth here, which is kind of this drawing here. Each layer, paper layer is these lines here. And we need these spacers, which I'm just going to use 1/2-inch plywood, which is 11.43 millimeters. Drill a small hole in there to put some LED lights through. And I need those for 4 of the layers because we don't need them on the front layer here. The next thing we need to do is we have to figure out, well, how much space do we need underneath the 8x8-inch frame to kind of store this battery box. We're going to have to design something into the shadow box to allow us to turn this off and on. Just did some quick measuring, and I think we have the dimensions that we want. Also, we're going to put a piece of acrylic, clear acrylic on top to protect this from some dust in the long term, and I think that's it. So this particular project in Boxes.py comes with spacers. You saw me delete those at the very beginning of this because I needed to create custom spacers at 1/2 inch for us to use with our project. So that's why I deleted that at the beginning. Here I'm just creating a custom corner here because we have part of the front of this design that we do not want exposed because it's going to be hiding our little battery box for our lights. So I'm just kind of adjusting the download that we got from Boxes.py to work for our particular box. So what I'm actually doing here is kind of building this up to join cleanly with the other pieces of the box, and then I can delete all of those inner cuts. Once I have half of it, I can just mirror it and join it to the other side. Again, I didn't really have to draw that over again, but I did. But you can see here I just joined it together and now it will fit our particular box. And that's just going to be the back of the box there. We're going to have to cut a hole in the side of our box to fit our little battery box. So we'll be able to take it out and replace the batteries. What I'm doing now is just making a little keyhole so I can put on the back of the box to hang up the shadow box when we're done. defect in this wood right through here. It's caused it to not cut all the way through, but we'll do our best. So we're just cutting this layer again because we did notice that the bottom of the sleigh was a little too thin for our liking, so we're just thickening it up using the node tool and cutting it out again.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Craftmas. We have more holiday themed projects coming soon.